Creating labels in Jira helps categorize and organize issues for better tracking and filtering. Here's how to create and use labels. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with permissions to create or modify issues. Navigate to an issue. Open an issue within your project where you want to add or create labels. Edit the issue. Click on the Edit button or More and select Edit to modify the issue details. Add labels. Locate the labels field in the issue editing screen. This field may be under the Details or Additional Information section, depending on your Jira configuration. Click inside the Labels field. Type the name of the label you want to add. If the label already exists, it will auto-suggest. Otherwise, you can create a new one by typing the desired label name and pressing Enter. Save changes. After entering the label, click the Update or Save button to apply the changes to the issue. Use labels for filtering. Labels can be used to filter issues in the Issue Navigator or create custom dashboards and reports. To filter by label, go to the Issue Navigator, select Labels from the filter options, and choose the relevant label.